Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Today we are discussing Introduction to Reality Technology. What is reality technology? Chances are you have heard about various reality technologies, namely virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. These technologies deliver a range of immersiveness, all blending the real and virtual into a highly sensory and interactive user experience. Though their features may vary, reality technologies are accessible in headsets, smartphones, or computer screens, among other devices. Different types of reality technologies are virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, extended reality. Virtual reality is a fully immersive digital world. Virtual reality is a computer-generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feel they are immersed in their surroundings. Example are Oculus PlayStation VR. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is the integration of digital information with the user's environment in real time. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a totally artificial environment, AR users experience a real-world environment with generated perceptual information overlaid on top of it. Example are Pokemon Geo Instagram filters. Mixed reality is merging digital and real-world elements. MR brings together real-world and digital elements. In mixed reality, you interact with and manipulate both physical and virtual items and environments, using next-generation sensing and imaging technologies. Mixed reality allows you to see and immerse yourself in the world around you, even as you interact with a virtual environment, using your own hands all without ever removing your headset. Examples: Microsoft HoloLens. Extended reality is umbrella term covering all these technologies. XR is the future of mobile computing. We are making mobile XR a reality. Extended reality, XR, is an umbrella term encapsulating augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, mixed reality, MR, and everything in between.